Hey, welcome back. So today's not gonna be a cooking with Kimberly show. Actually, this one is gonna be geared more towards the males and specifically those that have facial hair. Now, I'm gonna show you a quick homemade way of making your own beard balm. I've been doing this for years and I was just thinking about it the other day. I gotta make a new supply, so why not show you how I do it? And this is a very inexpensive way of doing things. I used to purchase tin cans. This one here is 141 grams. I used to purchase 32 grams of the same brand here, and it used to cost me about $50. And I thought, why would I want to pay $50 for 32 grams every month when I can make 141 grams for maybe $5? And that's what I'm going to show you here today. Okay, the ingredients for what I use is only 4 parts, and that's gonna include your beeswax. So what I did was I took this 1 ounce beeswax bar and cut it in half and gave myself half an ounce of beeswax. I have 1 ounce of shea butter here, and then I have 1.5 ounces of coconut oil. And what I'm gonna do right now is combine all 3 of these in this little pot here and let it all boil down until it's all a liquid, and then I'm gonna show you the final touch that I add to this. Also, I do make my own beard oil, and I'm gonna also show you how to do that. Okay, I got everything melted down. If you start doing this process, the beeswax will take the longest. That's why the time lapse there just didn't catch the last little bit of beeswax melting. But now it is all liquefied, and what I'm gonna do is add it to my tin that I have been using from the previous time, and I melted down the last of the butter that I had in there, or the balm in there. And so what I'm going to do is just pour the 2 together there, like that. And what you finally want to do is add essential oils for any fragrances that you might want in there. So I like to use sandalwood or eucalyptus for that. And what you do is you want to add it now as the balm is starting to cool off. That way it doesn't burn the essential oils also. I also recommend using a high grade of essential oil and not just those cheap diluted synthetic brands. So that's the balm right there. So what I'm going to do now is just put this off to the side after I put my oils in. And so what I'll do is I'll add some sandalwood in there. I'll add usually about 1.5 of these to this whole tin, and that should do it. And then make sure you give it a quick stir so you get all that scent throughout everything, and so that you're not getting just one compact scent in one area. Now I'll put that off to cool, and we'll get on to the oils that I make. So this is a 3 ounce bottle that I just picked up from the dollar store or Walmart. I can't remember, it's been so long. And what I like to do with that one is do 1/3 of 3 different oils. And the 3 different oils that I like to put in here is a golden jojoba oil, so 1/3 of that, so 1 ounce of that. I put a grapeseed oil in there, and I also put a olive oil inside this. And what I'll use on the daily is I'll use a little bit of oil just to work into the beard, and then I'll use the balm there just to get my beard sitting the way I want it. And this is a very inexpensive method of getting beard products or any hair products that you want to make for yourself. So like this coconut oil typically goes for $20 and you get 2.3 kilos of that. This shea butter, when I picked this up on Amazon, it was a 1 kilogram block, and that was also for about $20. And I've had this probably for about 2 years now, and you can see I still have quite a bit here for at least this year, if not into the next, because this container here alone will last me probably about 3 to 4 months just on that. And then your olive oil and all your other oils you can just purchase from your local grocery store and make it for yourself and save a ton of money and have a better product. And one thing I'll just tell you is that if you do add more butter, it will make it a lot more creamier than if you were to add more beeswax, which will make it a harder substance. So keep that in mind if you start playing with your ingredients. You're gonna need oils, so you don't have to necessarily stay with coconut oil in this mixture here. You could have added olive oil instead. It all depends on how it reacts to your skin, how it reacts to your hair. Some people may not like the feeling of certain oils, and that's all fine there. So I just wanted to show a quick, inexpensive way of how to make this. Hopefully you got some good info out of this, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.